In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background video in Elementor. If you've ever wanted to make your website more dynamic and engaging, using background videos is a wonderful way to capture attention and create a modern, visually appealing look. First off, let's make sure you have Elementor installed and ready to go. Open up your WordPress dashboard, head over to Pages or Posts, and choose the one you want to edit. Once you've selected it, click the Edit with Elementor button. This will open up the Elementor editor, where you can customize your page. Now, let's dive into adding that video. Look at the left-hand menu in the editor, and you'll see you can add sections to your page. Click the plus icon to add a new section or choose an existing one to edit if you prefer. Once you have the section in front of you, you'll notice a small handle with 3 dots hovering over it. Hover over these dots, right-click, and then select the Edit Section option. A panel will open up on the left with various customization options. Click on the Style tab, which is where we can add our video background. In the Style tab, locate the Background section. You'll see 3 sub-options: Classic, Gradient, and Video. Click on Video, and you'll be prompted to add a video URL. This is where your video file will come in. You can upload your video to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, then copy and paste the URL here. Just be sure the video is set to public, so it plays seamlessly when visitors land on your page. Once you've pasted the URL, your section background will change immediately to display the video. It's a good time to preview it and ensure it looks the way you envisioned. At this point, let's adjust some settings to optimize the video's appearance. The background overlay option is excellent for enhancing contrast between the video and text or other elements. You can choose a color for the overlay and adjust its opacity until it fits your aesthetic. Also, check out the play once, continuous manually, or play on mobile options based on your preference and how you want users to interact with the video. Finally, before we wrap up, it's crucial to ensure your changes are saved. Click the green Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. Take a moment to preview the page in different screen sizes to make sure everything looks great, and your background video plays smoothly across devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've added a background video with Elementor, adding both motion and life to your web page. With a little tweaking here and there, you'll be able to craft a design that truly stands out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.